So I got a new camera and then it starts snowing. Oh geez. So hopefully I can start figuring out the different settings and how to use it. So I'll go ahead and I'll take my phone and show you the camera that I got. So here it is, the SONY VZ-1. It's very cool. I can actually pop the screen out, kind of like for the selfie vlog mode. Oh, there it is. I know I've seen it somewhere. Yeah, so there might be a slight learning curve with this, but I've had a Sony camera before and I really enjoyed it, so when I seen this, it was on sale, so I decided to pick it up. Thank you all for watching. Have a great day.